What's going on, guys? It's the Garage Giant. Today we're taking a look at the 5-piece Smartliner floor mat I've got from my Ford Explorer ST. These come in a single box and cover the full vehicle. Driver and passenger up front, one piece in the second row, another in the third row, and a cargo liner in the back. Starting up front on the passenger side, you can see that it fits edge to edge with excellent coverage. The raised sides will trap whatever dirt or liquid you throw at it. On the driver's side, there are two factory clips that hold the floor mat in place. Once they're installed, there's no movement. In the second row, there's a one-piece mat that covers the entire floor. This is great for rear passengers or messy kids. In the third row, it's the same story. The one-piece liner fits perfectly and is molded around the seat tracks. Last up, the cargo liner. It fits snug when the third row seats are upright. One recommendation if you're buying these mats: if you don't use the third row often, like I do, consider getting the version with the extended cargo mat for more coverage when the seats are folded down. Here's another look at the third row floor mats. All around, these floor mats were around over $200 on Amazon, and after owning them for well over 6 months, I can say they are well worth the price. That's a full 5-piece Smartliner floor mats from my Ford Explorer ST. Even after months of ownership, the fit is perfect. If you're looking for floor mats for your vehicle, definitely check out Smartliner.